Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a chainsaw witch, gonna carve you like pumpkin, the goblin queen, and ain't that something? So don't hit that dial, don't get real sour, you'll just feel a little tickle, my little flower. Drink your broth, yeah, guzzle it down. You've come to my kingdom, this is Goblin Town. My teeth are a fright, my gums they bleed. Chainsaw witch is coming, yes indeed. Will always fail, cause we eat those humans, turn them into slime. Goblins are nil-bar committing crimes. Enough is enough, I scream it loud. Don't be obtuse and don't be proud. I'll get all lusty like this was porn. Strap you to the bed while we eat that corn. Epic druid luring you in. Drink your broth till you cough and your head will spin. I'll chop you up and make a shake. I tether and I slither just like a snake. One more thing, don't try to fake. Everything here's green, so why not get baked? Fuck your grandpa, your soul won't be saved. The kingdom of the goblins will be your prey. Chainsaw witch.